Hey everyone, it's Justin, and by the title you can see what we're doing. I'm not going to do a long intro because everybody hates those. So let's go ahead and get into the eyeshadow palette. I didn't even show you the front of it. You already know. It's a Subculture palette. So I wanted to go ahead and just like play with this today because I have no eyeshadow on and I just wanted to... I just want to do this. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see or tell by this video, it is very unprofessional. I do not have a backdrop. I do not have Morphe money. I do not have YouTuber money, or lack thereof of basically everybody on YouTube. I don't have money, right, as of this moment. So this is going to be very unprofessional, and I like to keep it that way. And do you expect that much from somebody called Piece of Actual Trash?
I think the fuck not, you trick ass.
Hopefully not. So I'm going to go ahead and dip into Roxy because I only finger swatched it, or I actually used it before. I cannot remember. And I'm going to go ahead and... Oh, I need to zoom y'all in. Hold up. Oh, hell yeah. And I'm going to go ahead and just take this in the crease and on the lid since I don't know what the crease is. Does that look good? I don't know if it looks good, y'all. Y'all need to tell me below. Fallout. By the way, disclaimer. In Texas right now, it is literally storming. Like, it is storming. The power goes off and on and off, on and off. But I am prepared. Hold up. I got a flashlight. So if the power goes out, we're ready. Zoom y'all in again. Oh, baby. Oh, God. Gotta take All-Star.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Shit. Girl. Oh my god. Oh my shit. Oh, I just fucked this up, y'all. Okay. Putting this brush down. Putting it the fuck down. I'm gonna take this Anastasia brush that came with this damn palette, and I'm gonna blend that out. I'm gonna take Dawn. I love this shade though. This Dawn, I love it. I normally use this as a transition shade. I use it as a transition shade a lot. Now I'm going to go back into All-Star with a packing brush and not... Oh, this is a hot ass mess. I'm giving this red a chance. Oh my god, y'all. I'm back into Dawn. Let's go into New Wave again. I just kind of am just messing around and see what I can create. I actually love this New Wave color. It's really, really cute. Now to cover up that All-Star color, this one right here, I'm actually going to use Fudge. Just cover that All-Star color up. Not really digging that All-Star color. It has the same name as the best song like ever written, ever made in the history of the universe. And I don't like the shadow, of course. Let's go back into... Oh shit, just used the wrong side. Let's go back into New Wave and put it on the lid. I wanted to cover it up with Adorn. I wanted to use Adorn because I think that's a cute color. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Adorn shade on a flat, tapered eyeshadow brush. Bitch, it's a flat brush. Girl, bye. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this, and I'm going to spray it with some very fancy setting spray, or okay, hold up. I need a mirror for this because I'm going to mess it up. Girl, look at that. This just done saved this look. This just done saved this look. Oh my god, I love this eyeshadow. So I'm done with the eyes. I love the way they turned out. It had a little bit of fallout, and in the pan it did too. But overall, I actually really like this palette. I think it's a really, really good palette. It's just that All-Star, take the tiniest bit with that. Like, just the tiniest bit, because that kind of like fucked me like from the start. Like literally, like it's like you walk into the jail and then they just pull your pants down and start fucking you. That's exactly what All-Star did to me. So not gonna dip into that shade at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a lip on, do my lashes, do my stuff, you know. I'm not going to have any actual, like, falsies on today because I ripped mine to fucking shreds. I'm going to take Christmas Cookie from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I actually really, really like this nude. This is, like, an everyday nude for me, And I'm sorry to be a copper eye nude lip, but I'm sorry, I'm not trying to be a Jeffree Star promo. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to be, but this is like the only mirror I have right now. So, we're just gonna have to make it work. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some mascara and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm here with the finished look, and overall I think it turned out pretty good. I re-went over my lipstick because it was looking fucking messy. It was really, really bad. And then I went in with the Better Than Sex mascara, a little travel size, because I can't afford the real one. And also it's kind of like clumpy and I really don't like it a whole lot. And also my eyelashes grow straight down, so it's really, really hard for the mascara to actually lift them up. But overall I really like this look. I am actually very, very happy with it. It's a little natural because normally I add lashes and it's like full glam, but I'm really happy with this like kind of natural look. So hopefully y'all guys like this. Give me some suggestions down below for some looks y'all want to see me try. Thank you guys so much for watching. I actually really enjoyed this, and I guess I'll see y'all very soon. Later. Bye.